Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. So we're doing an oil change today. We're actually at 4,000 miles. Oh, by the way, these are shoes that I drive over just to give myself a little bit more clearance for the jack. Poverty move a little bit, but it works. But we're actually only at like 4,000 miles here. I want to keep the intervals at 5,000, but the car in total is at 10,000 miles. So if I change the oil now, then I can continue on just doing 15, 20, 25, 30. So just to make it a little bit cleaner. So let's get the car jacked up. All right, guys, we got the car jacked up. So the first two things I like to do, well, I guess the first primary thing is just remove some of the bolts on the back of the skid plate. And that way when we get to the oil filter, I like to just loosen the oil filter and then loosen the oil drain plug. Because if you can't get those two steps, they're kind of stuck and you may need to go to the store or something. So we're gonna, this is oily. This is super oily. So yeah, let's get to the skid plate now. Underneath the car we go. My least favorite place ever. Okay, and there is our oil filter, so let's loosen that up. We can get a good hold on it. Alright, sweet, we got that loose. I always just want to make sure that we can unscrew that and then we can keep going. Okay, then the last part is, I forgot which, I'll try a 15 and a 16, but just the oil drain plug itself. Oh, perfect. It is a 15 millimeter. Okay. So we just want to loosen it. Perfect. Okay. Snug it slightly. Okay, well now that we got that, we're good. Go move forward with the oil change. It's been like an hour since I drove the car, so hopefully the oil's not like piping hot. If it burns my skin, that would suck. But we'll give it a go. Let's see, is it hot to the touch? It's not. Alright, let's see if I can do this efficiently and spill less oil this time. There you go, they're pretty good. Oh, last time it was the oil filter I made such a mess with, so we're gonna try to do that better this time. Come on, put this in a clean spot. So we'll just put Should have brought rags with me. That's okay. Okay. I just like how the car is sitting a bit more even now. Let's try the bag trick. See how well that works. Perfect. Alright, let's give this a try, boys. See if we can get this bag trick to work better than last time. Definitely didn't. Also, that's hot ass oil. Damn, it's so close. Actually, not even really close, but whatever. Yes, how do you do this? I see people do this on YouTube videos all the time. The bag trick. And every time I just screw it up royally. How the hell do you guys make that work so cleanly? I make a mess every time. Then I have to pressure wash. Pressure wash my apartment parking garage. Good Lord. Well, now that we made a mess of that again, let's get the new oil filter back on. Let's do the typical. Okay, the O-ring. Thread it back on. Little bit. All right, that's good. Then let's throw these screws back in. Got the screws for the skid plates back on. Let's clean up the back of the skid plates where the oil drain plug is, and then we'll get that tightened back in, and we should be good to drop the car back down after that. Sweet. Alright guys, skid plates are back on, oil drain plug is torqued back down, and oil filter is back on. So let's lower the car and then top her off with the no oil and we should be good. Alright guys, now the easiest part. Just getting our new 10 quarts of oil in. Okay, and I mentioned this to you guys before. For the 2025 model year Coyotes, they say they take 9.5 quarts of oil, but when you look at the dipstick after 9.5 quarts, it's still on the low side. So we're gonna do 10 quarts of oil, which actually kind of seems to be a consensus now that I've been kind of looking it up. We're gonna get that shit out of here real quick. But if you guys have a 25, I'd recommend just 10 full quarts of oil, and then we're gonna put this liquid moly in here. So I'm gonna finish that up for you guys. My GoPro is actually about to die, so I'm gonna cut the video here. Obviously, it's the easy part. We have 10 quarts of oil, 1 bottle of liquid moly, and then that's pretty much it. We're done here. So appreciate you guys tuning in for this quick little kind of maintenance oil change video. I'm realizing how much I hate doing oil changes, and I think I may start paying somebody, because with jacks and jack stands, I don't like lifting up a car. If I had like a 2-post jack or a 2-post lift, that would make this so much easier and so much less anxiety inducing. But I'm gonna get this oil change done, just put in the 10 quarts and everything. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.